called protein oat cookies. Ayun. So, pero ang mababago lang sa recipe natin is instead of using the formula, the H24 rebuild, I'm gonna use the regular natin na Formula 1 nutritional shake in Dutch chocolate. So, ready na po ba kayo? Very simple lang. Pero for this recipe kasi, you have to be precise. You have to take down notes. So, kuha na tayo ng pen and paper kasi you need kumbaga the right amounts of ingredients para maging maganda yung outcome. So, ginawa ko, kinonvert ko tong recipe na to into cups and measuring cups kasi Coach Rap use yung tawag doon, weighing scale. So if you do have a weighing scale, mas maganda kasi syempre, lalo na yung mga may nutrition clubs. So pagka ginawa niyo yung recipe niyo, mas consistent kumbaga. Ito more on eyeballing and measuring naman, pero hindi nga lang siya sakto every time. So, ayun. So, let's start. So, we start with our rolled oats. Okay? So, maganda for this recipe, rolled oats po ang gagamitin natin. So, that's 2 1/4 cups of your rolled oats. So, Coach, paano kung meron is yung instant oats or yung quick cook oats, pwede din naman po. Yan. Baka meron dyan sa room na nakatikim na nitong protein oat cookies ni Coach Rap. It's actually available sa kanyang nutrition club sa Good Gains. So I was able to try it before and super good talaga siya. So it's nice na share na rin niya yung recipe so that we can recreate it at home. Okay, so next is 1/4 cup of our Formula 1 Dutch chocolate. So siya, ang ginamit niya is the H24 rebuild. So yun nga lang kasi, wala ako noon. So di ba, we work kung ano meron tayo. Ayan. So, sa inyo ang gumagamit na noon ng H24 rebuild. So, pwede nyo i-swap. So, this one kasi has kumbaga, lower grams ng protein. Yun kasi, kumbaga, mas heavier on the protein side. So, we have 1/4 cup of our F1 choco. And then, we'll add in more personalized, kumbaga mag-add tayo ng protein pa, para pack talaga siya ng protein. We'll add in Formula 3 TPP, personalized protein powder, and open pa. So this one, you can add yung TPP sa maraming bagay. Pwede nyo siya i-add sa shake, pwede nyo siya i-add sa soups, or even sa any drink. Okay, so let's add in a tablespoon. And now we'll add in cinnamon. So cinnamon powder. Ayan. Okay, for this one, we'll add in half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. So kita nyo very useful itong Herbalife scooper natin. As a sweetener for this recipe, we'll be using cocoa sugar. Ayan. Actually, this will be my first time to use this ingredient. Saan ko siya nabili? Sa Landers. So, hindi ko alam kung meron sa tindahan. So, cocoa sugar is your healthier sweetener alternative. So it says here that it's also low glycemic. So ano ibig sabihin ng low glycemic? So ang nangyayari kasi just like our shake, when we take the anything low glycemic, hindi siya nagpo-cause ng spike sa blood sugar level natin. So we will be adding 3 tablespoons of the cocoa sugar. Smells like ano din, regular brown sugar. Okay. And then we'll add in a pinch of salt. So, ito muna yung tinatawag nating